Good morning, student. Let us continue our exercise 10.3 from straight line. Okay, now we'll continue with question number 15. The perpendicular distance from the origin to this line y is equal to mx plus c meets at the point -1 to find the value of m and c. Okay, so what will be the perpendicular distance? Perpendicular distance from origin from to this line will be x y will be replaced by 0. If we write the equation in the standard form, then it is coming this c by 1 plus m square. Again, distance from origin to this point, they are equal given. Okay, so this distance meets the point here. So distance from origin to this point is coming √5. Now as per question, that this equal to this. Okay, so by equating we get one equation of c and m. Now again, this point lies on the line where perpendicular is drawn. So this point will now this point lies on this line. So this point will satisfy this equation. So you get c is equal to m plus 2. Now we'll solve equation 1 and 2. Equation 2 variable we can easily solve. Okay, the value of c coming 1 by 2. Sorry, m is coming 1 by 2, and putting the value of m, we get c is 5 by 2. Okay, other method also there, but you can follow this one. Okay, next another question. This is distance from origin to this line and is p, and this and distance from origin to this line is q. We have to prove that p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. Just go through this question number 16. P and q are the distance from origin to these two lines. We have to prove that p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. So first we'll write the equation of the line in standard form. This is the standard form, means we are taking c one side. It is already in the standard form, c is that side. Now distance from origin to this line, x, y became 0 and this one left. Sin square plus cos square, this is coming. P is coming this. Again, another equation, distance from origin to this line, that will be q. Q is equal to again x, y 0, negative k y this. Now by simplification, sec square 1 by sin square, sec square 1 by cos square, cosec square 1 by sin square, it can be simplified into this. Now we'll take what you have to prove, p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. So taking LHS p square plus 4q square, p square is and 4q square. Now 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Now it can be write 2 sin theta cos theta whole square, k square. So this will be sin square 2 theta. Again this became 1, k square coming. Sorry, this is not visible. This can be right 2 sin theta cos theta whole square, that is sin 2 theta, sin square 2 theta, k square common, then sin square plus cos square is 1, then we get the proof. Okay. Now question number 17. We have two ABC, 3 vertices of a triangle given. We have to find altitude from A, and second is this distance, length of the perpendicular from A to BC. Okay. So equation of AD, if AD is the perpendicular Okay, and length of the altitude also. Okay, so what we will do, find slope of BC, it is given. Then equation of BC we can get. Equation is required to find the perpendicular distance. Now slope of AD will be the AD is perpendicular to BC. BC is -1, 1 by -1, that is 1. Then equation of AD we get. Okay. Now distance from this point vertex to this line, that also they have asked. Okay. We can find foot of the perpendicular and then by distance formula, but that will be lengthy. You can, using this formula, you can easily get it. It's coming √2. Okay. Now another question from miscellaneous. The equation of line with x and y intercepts are AB. Okay. We have to prove that. The last question. The P is the length of the perpendicular from the origin to the line whose intercepts are A and B, so that this. So equation of a line with intercept A and B can be write like this. Now distance from origin to this line given P. So distance is coming this, then by calculation P is coming this, 1 by P coming this, by squaring this is coming. Okay. Now same time we will continue with our miscellaneous part. Miscellaneous equation of a line given. Miscellaneous exercise, first number, equation of a line given. We have to find the value of k when it is parallel to x-axis. If it is parallel to x-axis, x coordinate will be 0, then coefficient of x will be 0, then value of k is coming. If it is parallel to x-axis, x coordinate will be 0, means this coefficient, this x will be 0, then k minus 3 become 0, k is coming 3. If parallel to y-axis, coefficient of y became 0, then this is k is coming plus minus 2. And next is, if it is passed through origin, this will be 0, constant will be 0. Y is equal to mx plus c, c will be 0, or ax plus by equal to 0, c is also 0. So this will be 0. By making 0, we get a quadratic equation. By solving, we get value of k is 1 and 6. Now last question, phone number. We have to find coordinate point on the y-axis whose distance from this line is 4. Points on the y-axis. Okay. So distance from this line is 4. This point can be just, suppose this is the line. This 4, again, whatever with this distance also can be 4. So we'll take 2 point will come. If it is the line, this is the equation of the line. Now distance from y-axis is 4. From this also it can be 4. From this also it can be 4. Another point also it can be 4. Okay, so 2 answers will come. Anyhow, so we'll find, let the point be y1, 0. Then distance from y1, 0 to this line is coming this. So modulus sign is there. So finally we get this equation. Now 2 cases we have to take. To take out modulus 1 positive, we get value of y1 is 32, 0, and this 0, 32 by 3, and again 0, and taking negative sign we get y1 is negative 8 by 3. So answers are 0, 32 by 3 and 0, negative 8 by 3. So this is up to this. We get another class to solve some more important question. Thank you.